How to close apps on Samsung Smart TV. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you close apps on Samsung Smart TV. To close running apps on your Samsung Smart TV, you want to press and hold the return back button on the remote control. So here's what you could do is launch the app you want to close. Then you want to locate the return or a back button on your remote control and press and hold it for 5 or few seconds. After which the app will close and you'll be returned to the home screen. And that should be able to help you out to close it completely. The other thing you could also do is you could press the home button on the remote to return to the home screen and navigate to the app you want to close using the arrow key. As you do it so, then you could also go ahead and press the option button, often referred by a 3 vertical dot on the remote. Then you could choose the close options from the menu to force close the app. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.